Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make scrambled eggs. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and tools. You will need 2 to 3 large eggs, about 1 tablespoon of milk or cream, and a pinch of salt and pepper for seasoning. For equipment, grab a non-stick pan, a whisk or fork, and a flexible spatula. Also, have a small bowl ready for mixing. These basic items are all you need to start your journey to perfectly fluffy scrambled eggs. Now, let's get those eggs ready for cooking. Carefully crack your 2 to 3 large eggs into the small bowl. Next, pour in about 1 tablespoon of milk or cream. This secret ingredient helps make your eggs incredibly fluffy and rich. Grab your whisk or fork and beat the mixture vigorously. Continue whisking until the yolks and whites are completely combined and the mixture looks slightly frothy, ensuring a uniform texture. It's time to cook. Place your non-stick pan on the stovetop and set the heat to medium-low. Add about 1 teaspoon of butter to the pan and let it melt, coating the bottom evenly. Once the butter is shimmering, pour your whisked egg mixture into the warm pan. Allow the eggs to sit undisturbed for approximately 30 seconds. This initial setting period is crucial for creating those soft, delicate curds. To finish, continue gently pushing and folding the eggs from the edges towards the center with your spatula. Do this until they are mostly set but still appear slightly moist and creamy. This is key to avoiding dry, rubbery eggs. Remove the pan from the heat just before they reach your desired doneness, as they will continue to cook slightly from residual heat. Serve your perfectly scrambled eggs immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.